layers of the atmosphere.
9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Troposphere. This layer is located at an altitude of 0 kilometers to 18 kilometers. The places where climatic phenomena, such as wind, rain, lightning, and rainbows occur. The air temperature in the top layer of the troposphere reaches -60 degrees Celsius, while at sea level it is around 27 degrees Celsius. Stratosphere layer. This layer is located at an altitude of 18 kilometers to 60 kilometers. There is an ozone layer at an altitude of 35 kilometers above sea level, which is useful for protecting the Earth from excessive ultraviolet rays. Has the nature of dry air because it does not contain moisture and dust. Mesosphere layer. This layer is at an altitude of 60 kilometers to 80 kilometers. The mesosphere layer is in the middle of all layers of the atmosphere. The mesosphere layer becomes a layer of the atmosphere that protects the Earth from meteor showers. Thermosphere layer. This layer is located at an altitude of 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Has a temperature between -40 degrees Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. There is the appearance of aurora, which is a colorful band of light in the sky of the North Pole and South Pole. Exosphere layer is the last layer of the atmosphere that is farthest from the Earth. This layer is located at an altitude of 800 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers. The place where the irregular movement of atoms occurs, often referred to as interplanetary and geostationary space.